Iceberg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, Coshocton County, Muskingum County, southwestern Noble County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Gambier to near Gloucester, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles an hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Zanesville, Coshocton, New Concord, West Lafayette, South Zanesville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Fritz-Iceberg, Philo, Warsaw, Pleasant Grove, Cumberland. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect.